Hello everyone, welcome back to another amazing tutorial. Today I am going to teach you how can we generate free talking AI avatars for free using HeyGen website. So let's get started to create. Open any browser and come to HeyGen official website like this. And you should sign up first, and it's free. And if you want to use this site, you can purchase a plan from this site to get additional help. After you have signed up, you will see an interface like this. And from here, select Avatar. And from here, you can use these default iTalking avatars. And from here, you can upload your image and you can generate your own talking avatar. For this video, I am using these demo avatar. Click on the avatar and select Create Video, and you select the resolution. And from here, you can add the script to generate the AI voiceover. And you can select the voice from here, and you can have a preview after that. After that, you can try these elements and add some effects from here. After you have done your edit, to download the video, click on Submit, and it will take some time to prepare the video. And you can download it from here. And this was the final result.
Welcome to our video tutorial on how to create a free talking avatar using HeyGen. In just a few simple steps, you'll have your very own animated avatar that can speak with your own voice.